How to buy what the dog doing token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or current experience. If you're investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by the stock, make sure to check the community next. As you can see, they have 1,000 members there. So this token is available on the screener. It created 5 days ago and increased by 300% in less than 4 hours. The market cap it's $1.7 million. And this token, as you can see, it came under the Solana network. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy to token address and open your funds mind for that. After that, what you need to do is just click here on swap. Now, make sure from the top you can select the Solana token from here. Just wait a few seconds. So after you select the Solana token here, you can now after that click from the bar here and you can paste token as in search bar. So as you can see, this also now click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy and this is how much you will be able to receive. And after that, scroll down and you will be able to find your swap, click on it. After that, they will be able to redirect you to OKX Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy what the dog the win token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.